Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a driving license in Australia. So this is helpful because the process can look confusing at first, especially since the rules can change depending on the state or territory. But once you know where to begin, it's much easier to follow. So the first thing to do here is to open up your browser and go to Aust Roads. So this is a good place to start because it gives general driver licensing information for Australia and then helps point people in the right direction. So once the website opens, look for the section about Australian driver licensing. So from there, read the information carefully and check the licensing authority for your state or territory because that is where the exact steps and requirements will come from. So in most cases, the process starts with getting a learner license or learner permit. And before that, make sure the required documents are ready and check that the minimum age and identification requirements are met. So after that, follow the instructions shown on the official page and complete the first test, if one is required. Okay, so once the learner stage is approved, the next step is to start learning with a supervising driver based on the rules in that area. So some places may also require practice hours or a logbook. So it is important to read that part carefully before moving forward. And after completing the learner stage and meeting the requirements, the next part is to take any other tasks that may be needed, such as a hazard perception test or a practical driving test. So if everything is passed successfully, the person can then move to the next license stage, which is usually a provisional license before getting a full license later. So overall, the process here is very simple when it's broken down step by step. So start on the official Australia driver license page and then check the correct state or territory authority. Prepare the needed documents, complete the learner stage, practice driving, and then move on to the next test when ready. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.